chicken. This is Ada's Delicacies. I know I've been missing in action for quite a long time now. Yeah, I've been really busy. So today I'm going to be making chicken stew. It's a Sunday today, so I'll be preparing a little, tiny chicken stew for the family. So come along with me and let's start cooking. Thank you. So guys, here are the ingredients I'm going to be using to make my yummy chicken stew. So I've got the main ingredient, which is chicken obviously, and I have pepper mix. I've got bell pepper, habanero pepper, tomatoes, and I've also got onions. They're all been blended. So when I blended it, I actually boiled it just to get this it this way. So I preserved it in the freezer, so it's a bit frozen, but it's been defrosted now. I have tomato puree. That's it there from Asda tomato puree. I'll be using 2 of them. Then I have my grounded ginger. I have a lion thyme. Then I've got curry as well. So I've got just a little bit of the curry. So I will be using this as a I didn't know I ran out of it, so I'll be using this as a supplement as well. And I've got salt to taste. Then I have my bay leaf. That's the bay leaf. I like to add it in my chicken. And one more thing, I've got groundnut oil. That's it there. And I will be adding palm oil to my stew. So let's get cooking. So first thing first, the chicken, I'll add it in the pot. I'll slice some onions there. Put some onions. So we'll be boiling the chicken to get the stock, because that's what we'll be using to make the chicken stew. You'll add a bit of salt there. Sorry, that's my baby at the background. We'll add curry. I'll put a bit of curry as well. Then we add ground ginger. We put thyme. And I'll add my Maggi. For my bay leaf as well. That's the bay leaf there. I'll add my bay leaf, and then what do we put then? I'll put water. Put water to get the stock out. I'm not gonna stir it now. So we cover up and then get the chicken all done. So guys, while my chicken is boiling over there, that's it there. So what I'll do next is I'll just add my groundnut oil. I've got sunflower oil here, so I'll just add it into the pot. You can put as desired as you want. Some people like it really oily. So I've added the sunflower oil, then I'll add my palm oil as well, and then I'll leave this to get really hot, like really hot. So guys, that's the palm oil piping hot. So we'll add some onions to it. And then wait for it to be golden brown. Yeah. Wait for it to be golden brown. Then you add your pepper mix. That's the pepper mix there going in. add my pepper mix, I put my tomato paste immediately, and then I fry them until it's done for about maybe 20 minutes. Yeah, so this is what it looks like now. So in the next 20 minutes you see what it looks like. Yeah, so let's have a look. You can see the tomatoes, the oil there is actually risen above the tomatoes, so towards the pepper mix, sorry. So at this point you can see it's fully done. Yeah, so what we'll do is then add our chicken stock. Yeah, and then you give it a nice stir. You add the chicken stock. Yeah, I don't like my stew too watery, so I'll keep checking. And then the chicken, woof, goes in, and then can you see that? Can you see the look of the stew? So at this point I add my all-purpose seasoning. I really like this all-purpose seasoning. You need to see the taste. Yeah. So have a look at that. See the way the stew looks. Looks amazing. Looks amazing. Look at the stew. Yeah. Looks so attractive. Tasteful. Salt. Yeah. And that's my chicken stew all done. Yeah, so this will go with nice rice, or you can go with some bread, yam, and all sorts. So that's it.